Scene script. Imagine waking up to a new horizon every day, savoring world-class cuisine and exploring the globe's most stunning locations without ever unpacking. Welcome to the world of cruise ship travel. Picture this, a floating city of luxury and leisure, where every day is an adventure, and every sunset a masterpiece. This is the allure of cruise ship travel. It's a unique blend of tranquility and exhilaration, of discovery and indulgence. It's about visiting diverse destinations, each with its own charm and character, all from the comfort of your floating home. Cruise ships are a marvel of modern engineering, offering all the conveniences of a luxury hotel and more. Spacious staterooms with ocean views, numerous restaurants serving gourmet meals, fitness centers, spas, pools, theaters, you name it, and it's there. The best part? You unpack once and the world comes to you, one stunning port at a time. And let's not forget about the destinations. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Caribbean to the historic ports of the Mediterranean, from the wild beauty of Alaska to the majestic fjords of Norway and the exotic allure of the South Pacific, there's a cruise for every taste. You could be exploring ancient ruins one day and snorkeling in crystal clear waters the next, all while making friends from around the world and creating memories that will last a lifetime. On board, the fun never stops. There's a dizzying array of activities to keep you entertained. Live shows, cooking classes, dance parties, trivia nights, and even rock climbing or surfing for the more adventurous. There's something for everyone, regardless of age or interest. Cruise ship travel truly is a magical experience. It's a chance to see the world, to immerse yourself in different cultures, to taste new cuisines, and to meet new people. It's about the journey as much as the destination. So without further ado, let's dive into the top cruise ship destinations that will leave you spellbound. At number 5, we have the Caribbean, a tropical paradise that has long been a favorite among cruise ship travelers. This region, rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, has a certain allure that continues to captivate the hearts of many who venture its way. Imagine stepping off your cruise ship and onto a powdery white beach, the warm tropical sun kissing your skin, the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea lapping at your feet. It's not hard to see why this region is a staple in the itineraries of most cruise lines. But the Caribbean offers so much more than just beautiful beaches. The vibrant culture of the Caribbean is a tapestry woven from a rich and diverse history. It's reflected in the rhythmic beats of the local music, the colorful festivals and carnivals, and the mouth-watering fusion cuisine that's a delight to the senses. Every island has its own unique charm and character, each one a new world waiting to be explored. Thrill seekers and adventurers won't be disappointed either. The Caribbean is a playground for water sports enthusiasts, offering everything from snorkeling and scuba diving to surfing and sailing. For those who prefer to keep their feet on solid ground, there are countless hiking trails that wind through lush tropical rainforests and lead to breathtaking panoramic views. And let's not forget about the bustling local markets. Filled with vibrant colors, exotic fruits, and handcrafted artifacts, they offer a snapshot of the Caribbean life and an opportunity to take a little piece of the paradise back home. Among the popular ports to visit are Nassau in the Bahamas, St. Thomas in the US Virgin Islands, and Cozumel in Mexico. Each offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and adventurous activities. The Caribbean's warmth extends beyond its climate, promising a memorable cruise ship destination. Each day spent here introduces you to new experiences, new flavors, and new friends. It's a tropical paradise that keeps on giving, long after your cruise ship has sailed away. Next up, at number 4, we voyage to the Mediterranean, a destination that blends history, culture, and stunning landscapes. As we set sail for the Mediterranean, we're not just embarking on a journey across the sea. We're journeying through time, exploring lands steeped in ancient history and cultures that have shaped the world as we know it today. The Mediterranean, a sea surrounded by 3 continents, is a melting pot of diverse cultures, cuisines, and landscapes, making it a truly unique cruise ship destination. Our first port of call is Greece, the birthplace of Western civilization. Here, history comes alive in the form of towering ancient ruins, like the Parthenon in Athens. The city's rich past is palpable at every turn, as modern life weaves seamlessly with the ancient. We then set sail for the sun-kissed beaches of Spain. From the vibrant city life of Barcelona to the tranquil coastal towns, Spain's allure lies in its varied landscapes, its passionate people, and its rich cultural heritage. Whether you're exploring Gaudi's architectural marvels or dipping your toes in the warm Mediterranean waters, Spain offers a slice of the good life. Our voyage continues to Italy, a country synonymous with romance, art, and gastronomy. Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of ancient wonders, from the Colosseum to the Roman Forum. The city's timeless charm, coupled with its world-renowned cuisine, makes it a must-visit destination. But the Mediterranean is more than just its popular ports. It's the azure waters that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's the quaint villages nestled in the hills. It's the vibrant markets, the sun-drenched vineyards, the centuries-old olive groves. It's the feeling of stepping into a postcard, into a world that seems almost too beautiful to be real. Our voyage through the Mediterranean is a journey of the senses, a feast for the eyes, the palate, and the soul. From the ancient ruins of Greece to the vibrant streets of Spain, from the romantic allure of Italy to the stunning landscapes that unfold at every turn, this is a journey that leaves no stone unturned. The Mediterranean offers a taste of the old world charm, making it a cruise ship destination like no other. At number 3, we journey to Alaska, the last frontier, and a dream come true for nature lovers. Imagine a place where pristine glaciers stretch as far as the eye can see, where ancient forests whisper stories of the wild, and where wildlife roams free in its natural habitat. This is the breathtaking panorama of Alaska, a place where Mother Nature has generously splashed her palette, creating a landscape that's nothing short of a masterpiece. As your cruise ship navigates through the icy waters, you'll be treated to an awe-inspiring view of towering glaciers. These frozen giants, some of which have been around for centuries, are a sight to behold. Don't forget to listen for the thunderous crack of ice carving off a glacier, a reminder of the powerful forces at work in this icy wilderness. But there's more to Alaska than its icy facade. Venture into the heart of its lush forests and you'll discover a world teeming with life. From the majestic bald eagles soaring high above to the playful otters frolicking in the streams, Alaska's wildlife is as diverse as its landscapes. Alaska also offers a smorgasbord of activities that cater to every kind of adventurer. For those who enjoy the thrill of the chase, whale watching is a must. Witness the awe-inspiring sight of humpbacks breaching the water's surface, their massive bodies silhouetted against the Alaskan sky. For a step back in time, pay a visit to the historic gold rush towns. These charming towns, with their rustic buildings and fascinating stories, offer a glimpse into Alaska's colorful past. And let's not forget the glacier tours. Nothing quite compares to the experience of standing on a glacier, feeling the crunch of ice under your boots, and drinking in the stunning vistas of Alaska's wilderness. Alaska, with its raw beauty and untouched wilderness, promises an unforgettable cruise ship experience. So if you're yearning for an adventure that's both wild and serene, set sail for Alaska. The last frontier awaits. Our runner-up at number 2 are the Norwegian fjords, where nature's artistry is on full display. Imagine a world where towering cliffs dramatically plunge into deep, dark waters, where cascading waterfalls rush down sheer rock faces, and where charming villages dot the landscape in a kaleidoscope of colors. This is the realm of the Norwegian fjords, a place where nature's majesty unfolds in an awe-inspiring panorama of beauty and power. The fjords are a testament to the relentless power of ice, carved out over millennia by vast glaciers. These icy architects have left behind a landscape of staggering proportions. The cliffs rise hundreds of meters high, while the fjords themselves delve nearly as deep beneath the surface of the water. It's a place that makes you feel small, reminding you of the immense forces that have shaped our planet. Yet, amid this grandeur, there's a surprising intimacy. Dotting the shores of the fjords, you'll find quaint villages, their brightly colored houses nestled against the rugged backdrop. These communities, some with just a handful of inhabitants, offer a glimpse into Norway's rich cultural heritage and the hardy spirit of its people. Here, tradition thrives, from age-old farming practices to the crafting of intricate folk art. Adventure in the fjords takes many forms. The towering cliffs and high-altitude plateaus provide the perfect setting for hiking, with trails that range from gentle walks to challenging treks. Then there's the thrill of kayaking, where you can glide through the serene waters of the fjords, dwarfed by the soaring cliffs above, or perhaps even paddle alongside playful dolphins and seals. Exploring local culture is also a must. Visit local markets, taste traditional Norwegian cuisine, and perhaps catch a folk music performance. And don't forget to take the time to simply soak in the stunning views, breathe in the crisp, clean air, and marvel at the tranquility. The Norwegian fjords offer a Nordic adventure that will leave you in awe of Mother Nature's creations. And finally, at number 1, we have the South Pacific, an exotic escape that feels like stepping into a postcard. The South Pacific is a palette of vibrant colors, where sapphire skies meet turquoise waters and emerald landscapes. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and every moment is steeped in a serenity that's as refreshing as a dip in its crystal clear waters. Imagine stepping off your cruise ship onto pristine beaches, the sand beneath your feet as soft as powdered sugar. As you look around, you'll see a world that is as much an underwater paradise as it is a tropical oasis. The South Pacific is home to some of the most diverse marine life on the planet, with vibrant coral reefs teeming with tropical fish in every hue imaginable. But the South Pacific isn't just about natural beauty. It's about the warm, welcoming spirit of its people. Each port of call offers a unique cultural experience, from the Polynesian charm of Tahiti to the Melanesian heritage of Fiji. You'll find a sense of community, kinship, and a love for life that's as infectious as the rhythm of the local music. Take Bora Bora, for instance. It's a place that's been dubbed the Pearl of the Pacific, and for good reason. The island's beauty is otherworldly, with its iconic overwater bungalows and the majestic Mount Otomanu rising in the distance. It's a place where romance meets adventure, where you can explore lush rainforests, dive into crystal clear lagoons, or simply unwind on the beach with a tropical drink in hand. Or consider Fiji, a nation of over 300 islands, each one a little slice of paradise. Here you can immerse yourself in traditional Fijian culture, explore ancient temples, or indulge in some of the world's best snorkeling and diving. And then there's Tahiti, an island that's been seducing travelers for centuries, with its intoxicating blend of French sophistication and Polynesian charm. It's a place where you can explore vibrant markets, dine on exquisite cuisine, and witness breathtaking sunsets that seem to set the ocean ablaze. The South Pacific is the pinnacle of cruise ship destinations, offering an exotic escape that will linger in your memories long after your voyage. After the exotic escapade of the South Pacific, we set sail for a different kind of adventure. Welcome to Europe, a journey through time. Europe, a rich tapestry of countless cultures, centuries of history, and imagine your ship docking in the eternal city of Rome. Here, each cobblestone pathway unravels tales of mighty empires, brave gladiators, and unparalleled grandeur. As you traverse through the city, you'll find yourself treading the same paths as the legendary emperors and celebrated artists, with iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Sistine Chapel at every turn. Maybe you're more inclined towards the romantic allure of Paris, often referred to as the City of Lights. You can leisurely amble along the banks of the Seine, immerse yourself in the artistic treasures housed in the Louvre, or simply indulge in some people watching at a roadside cafe, savoring the rhythm of life in this vibrant city. Europe, however, is not confined to its urban landscapes. The continent is home to some of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders. The Norwegian fjords, towering cliffs draped in verdant greenery, present a sight to behold, while the undulating hills of Tuscany offer a sensory delight with their lush vineyards and quaint, picture-perfect villages. But Europe's allure lies not just in its famed cities and landmarks. It's in the hidden nooks and corners, the less-traveled paths that unveil the true essence of this multifaceted continent. Whether it's the idyllic coastal towns dotting the shoreline of Croatia, the whimsical castles nestled in the German countryside, the bustling markets pulsating with life in Spain, or the serene canals winding through the Netherlands, each offers a unique slice of European life. Europe is about the tantalizing food, the fine wines, the soul-stirring music, the evocative art, the rich history, and above all, the warm, welcoming people. It's a symphony of experiences, a mosaic of moments that make every journey unforgettable. So join us as we embark on this journey through time, as we explore the rich tapestry of Europe, one port at a time. Before we transition to our concluding scene, a friendly reminder: if you're finding this video enjoyable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link listed below to get your hands on your ideal holiday products. EHA, European Holidays Away and its partners offer everything you could possibly need for your holidays or vacations. We guarantee the best prices for your flights, hotels, hostels, train tickets, cruise ships, and more.